Hello there! Hi to all of my current and future friends. This is Elizabeth Haynes, and this is also day one of the video challenge for the internet lifestyle community that I'm certainly a part of. I am definitely living the internet lifestyle. I have worked for 32 wonderful years in corporate marketing communications. I've raised two amazing daughters who are taking care of themselves beautifully. In fact, they're making more money than I did when I stopped working. I am still with my husband, my rock of 42 years. And let's see. Well, okay, let me sing you a song that says it all about my life, and you tell me what are the original words for this tune. Here we go. I'm having fun on the playground of life, having fun on the playground of life, having fun, having fun, having fun, having fun, having fun on the playground of life. And I'll see you tomorrow at a different place, because my two passions are traveling and connecting with people. So see you tomorrow.